The core elements of any structure are stability, strength, and quality. RCC becomes the backbone of any structure. To create world-class architectural designs, it's important to have the right RCC structure to bring forth the design in reality. In RCC structural design field, leading from the front is a company with an expertise in complex structures as well as conventional structures, popularly known as G.A. Bhilare Consultants Private Limited.
Our company was established in 1988 with a small team working on small-scale projects. We aspire to maintain stability, safety, quality and economy for each design.
The design team at GABCPL handles various types of structures. We have introduced and implemented new type of technologies like precast, post-tensioning, steel deck structures, concrete shear wall structures, which help us achieve speed and quality of construction and mechanizes civil industry all over India.
We upgraded ourselves at technical level as we designing geometrically complex structures.
कुठलेही अवघड जरी डिझाइन त्यांच्याकडे आम्ही पाठवलं तर त्याच्यावर त्यांनी ताबडतोब मार्ग काढून ते डिझाइन इम्प्लिकेट्स केलेले आहे.
You may have an emergency and they're on for it.
Our team has the expertise in building high rises, mass housing projects, bungalows, commercial spaces and industrial buildings using advanced construction technologies. Our team has been designing various type of prestigious projects for the government of Maharashtra, Irrigation Department, Public Works Department and Central Government of India. All the designing is done by using various softwares such as ETAB, STAD and so on.
Further, we focus on creating technically efficient team by arranging various training sessions of design software by experts of this industry.
Our company grasps new methods and technologies and implement it in daily work of the organization. We have customized softwares for high accuracy in analysis. It contributes to accurate and faster design of various structural elements. We have prepared in-house software program for billing with Probity software.
Along with this, we upgraded ourselves at managerial levels also. We have various departmental teams such as design team, site inspection team, billing team, HR team, and these teams are headed by our directors.
While preparing a drawing, our directors, along with team members, always give emphasis on elaborate and precise detailing.
जर टेक्निकली कुठलाही विषय असेल तर पहिल्या दिवशी एकदा मीटिंग संपली की साइट संपेस तोपर्यंत कधीही आम्हाला त्याच्यामध्ये इन्व्हॉल्वमेंट ठेवावे लागत नाही.
For site visit inspection and quality control, we have a team of well-educated, dedicated senior engineers who look after site visit all over the country.
टाइमली डिलिव्हरी, स्वतः लक्ष घालून काम करणार, प्रोफेशनल मॅनेजमेंट आणि प्रत्येक स्लॅब स्वतः चेक केल्याशिवाय ते भरू देत नाही.
We conduct regular meetings with design directors, senior associates and site engineers along with our managing director.
Doing follow-up with clients and team members, it becomes a strong foundation of our company.
All the structural information, the steel requirement, how we can save about our project cost in the steels, they provide us all the solutions.
Incorporating every requirement of my architect. We've never had a case where an architect has come up to me and saying that I'm not getting a solution to this.
Everyone here has unique qualities which helps the company to grow on many levels. As a unit, we have made different strategy formations, team coordination, goal specifications, which benefit us in solving problems, accomplishing tasks faster, developing good relationships, and delivering projects on time.
During this journey, we have set ourselves in our core values as honesty, hardworking, continuous self-improvement, responsible, and respect to customers. These core values are always in mind of each and every team members, and because of this, we are able to gain and retain trust of our clients.
The company policies, they look after the construction safety first, and then they look after the costing part. So minimum cost of steel consumption can come in the project.
He always there to help us to how to reduce our cost and what could be the best media to reduce the cost.
Because of their ability to deliver challenging tasks in due time, we have received Best Project Award for last 3 years.
We started with a challenging project. We had a commercial project. Looking for solutions, not getting some, is when we involved him. And he fairly did so well in terms of finding a solution and my costing that that's the day and till date. He's my only sole RCC consultant.
I am strongly saying this because second generation of my client is also with me with their new business proposals.
GA भिलारेंबरोबर आमची ही दुसरी पिढी आहे. मोठी पिढीनेही त्यांच्याबरोबर काम केलं आणि आता आम्ही छोटे त्यांच्याबरोबर काम करत आहोत.
20 वर्षामध्ये मी जवळजवळ 21 प्रोजेक्ट पूर्ण केलेत. 21 प्रोजेक्टमध्ये स्ट्रक्चरल डिझाईन म्हणून फक्त भिलासाहेबच होते. आर्किटेक्ट माझी चेंज झालीत, पण स्ट्रक्चरल डिझाईन माझा काही चेंज झाला नाही.
Organizations are made by people but grown and expanded because of human beings. This is such a company, GA Bhilare Consultancy Private Limited, who has grown exponentially in last 25 years due to their quality of human being and the simplicity.
सचोटीने आज जसं करताय तसंच करत राहा. कुठे इकॉनॉमी करून फॉल्स सेव्हिंग वगैरे असलं काही करायचं, प्रिन्सिपलशी फॉर्म राहायला पाहिजे. मग कोणाचं पटलं नाही तर सोडून मिळून दुसरीकडे जाता येतं. ते या बाबतीत कॉम्प्रोमाइज कधीच करायचं नाही. आता तुम्हाला आशीर्वाद देणं एवढा एकच गोष्ट हातात आहे.
Our company's vision is to be the most reputed, leading and innovative organization offering structural engineering services.